The drink of life. Today, I want to talk about an element essential for life. This element is abundant and used daily. You've probably guessed it, water. Did you know that all living beings depend on water for survival? Without water, there would be no rivers, lakes, forests, or life. We couldn't exist without it. Water covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. About 70% of the human body is water. Our body needs more than 2 liters of water daily. It helps digest food, cool our system, lubricate our bones, and more. We can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Clean water is crucial for health, hygiene, energy, industry, agriculture, and leisure. We're not the only ones who use water. A cow needs 12 liters of water to produce 1 liter of milk. A corn plant needs about 100 liters of water to grow. Since we reuse water, its quality is very important. Every time we use water, its quality changes. When we add waste, chemicals, or oil, it causes pollution. Here are some things we can do to keep water clean. Take used oil to a collection center. If no center is available, help create one. Just a few liters of oil can pollute a million liters of water. Use non-toxic products when possible. For example, use baking soda instead of chemicals for cleaning pipes. Apply fertilizers properly. Misuse can pollute water supplies when rain carries pesticides to underground water. We can also conserve water in our daily lives. Here's how. Check for leaks in your home's water supply. Use water-saving shower heads and faucets. Water plants early to prevent evaporation. Don't leave water running while shaving, brushing teeth, or washing dishes. In our country, there are many centers with information to help us conserve water. One easy thing is talking to our children about saving water. Here are some facts to appreciate this essential element. There's the same amount of water now as 3 billion years ago. This is millions of cubic miles of water, covering 71% of the Earth. 1 cubic mile is over 4 billion liters. Experts say we may eventually pollute all the water. Around half the world's population lacks clean water for drinking and hygiene. We can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Water prevents our bones from rubbing together and keeps our eyes moist. Water carries chemicals to our brain, helping us think and feel. Water prevents our skin from drying and protects us. 6 million square miles are permanently covered by ice. On a hot day, a willow tree uses 20,000 liters of water. A leaking faucet can waste hundreds of liters of water daily. We cannot stress enough how important it is to conserve water. At work and in our personal lives, we need to value water, so future generations can enjoy a healthy life on Earth.